Moving ahead.
I'll make Opopop.
In a world where popcorn just doesn't pop anymore, one name dares to be different. Opopop.
Opopop!
Each kernel is flavor wrapped, so every bite packs a punch.
Opopop.
So rich, so buttery,
Opopop.
Opopop.
so sweet.
Opopop.
Opopop.
You'll fall in love with popcorn again.
Opopop.
And don't worry if you run out,
Opopop.
Opopop!
because you can subscribe and save. Movie night has a new leading snack. Go to opopop.com to try it for yourself.